Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to find your account number in Charles Schwab. So please watch till then to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Charles Schwab, you can use our link in the description and you may get discounts and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing you need to do is to go to your Google application and search for Charles Schwab. So this is their main website. So you can just click it right here so you can, be redirected to their main website. So right here, as you can see, if you go to the top side, you will see contact us right here. And if you click the drop down menu, as you can see, there will be a bunch of a contact number that you can choose to contact their customer service per subject. So if you want to change your password, you can contact this number. If you want to find something more about or find something more about trading service, you will contact this number. Every number right here correlates to each address or problems that you want to address. And yeah, that's it. And if you click more ways to contact, you will be redirected right here. As you can see, you will see more contact information, their main phone number. You will see it. So this is where you will need to this is the phone number that you need to call in order to be approached by the customer service. And also you can connect with a specialist right now. If you click that, as you can see, this options on the bottom right will appear, and you can just input your first name, your last name, your email on your Charles Schwab, and you can also put your subject right here. So in your subject, just write I want to check my Charles Schwab account number. And yeah, so just click start chat, and yeah, your problem will be addressed by the live chat support, and they will give you a bunch of methods that you can use to find your account number. And yeah, that's it. So my preferred method is by contacting their customer service on their phone number right here. And yeah, because it's easier and it's faster. And yeah, that's it. That's the way to find your account number on Charles Schwab. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.